video without any peeps in it. That's why I had to turn around. Yeah. Gorilla. Oh, definitely. Easy. Oh, I love gorillas. Quick, quick, quick. I want to see the gorillas. Quick, quick, quick. Food's coming. Feeding time. You used to be able to go over there. You can't go there at the moment. You used to sit over there and look at the gorillas playing. Yeah, I don't know what's happened. Does it say it's open at a certain time? Oh. All I can do is take a gorilla's bottom, that's all. It's not that interesting. Yeah. Wow. Definitely a woolly coming out of the ground. Wow. Look at the size of this one. My God. That is scary. Look at those claws. Amazing. Wow. That is big. Wow. Look at that. 100,000 years old. Let's see if I'm right. 800,000. Amazing, isn't it?
Not poppy. Look at poppy.
Oh, poppy. Oh. They're wild then. It's quite quiet in here. This is a rose garden with many, many roses. Oh, it's hot in here. They grow everywhere. It's in between gorillas. Yeah.
Oh,
Holy poly tiger.
happy tiger.
Oh. Yeah, it does look like a big cat. Oh, sorry. It's hot, I think. Yeah. It's meowing though, really.
Wow. Very long tail.
Oh God. Didn't notice that. Oh, you have to look through this little window. There's the fishing cat. It should look like this.
Cannot see it at the moment.
It's very difficult to see because I've been here before
Oh,
and he's camouflaged.
yeah. Oh, very clear now. Oh, they got a house in there.
Oh, they got in the house.
Yeah.